Hello everyone, we will be learning how to make this bear. In order to do so, first cut out the shape of a bear, two of them using some cardboard paper. Now on the top of one of them, add tape to it and then stick the other piece. Then continue to draw on one of them. Inside of them, bend it slightly and then add lead clay to it, add the teeth. Next, cut off a bottle and then make multiple slits in the top half of it. Then make V-shaped cuts to the bottom of it. Take multiple balls of clay and then stick them on each of the edges. Add it to the other half of the bottle. Next, take a dishwashing sponge and then add some rubber band to the center of it. On either side, on all four corners, add another rubber band so it looks like ears and legs. Next, add the eyes and everything else. Next, start off by taking some cardboard paper and then cut out this symbol out of it. Add a hole in the center and then add a stick through it. Take a bottle, make a hole through either end and then make a hole in the side as well. Put some thread through the side and then lift it up through the top. Add the other part of the contraption to it. Then take multiple stapler pins and then make a framework out of it. This should look almost like a cubicle. Now, once you have arranged it as such, this is the shape you should be left with. There you have it. Take a cup and then cut out the thicker edge of it. Fold it as such, join them together, split it into half, add holes into it as such and then bring the thread through. Add a knot on one of the ends, add the top portion, add some eyes and teeth and then you have yourself a dinosaur. Now we'll be learning how to make this cart wagon. For this, take multiple sticks, arrange them at the same size together. Add a rotatable component to it by adding a little straw. Then make the wheels, add it to the side. Make the framework of the rest of the cart, add it from the side. Make straws, do the work of the sides. Next, take a cup and then cut out the base of it. Make two wheels out of it out of two cups. Then add a small portion of the straw through it. Taking another straw, fold it into half and then add a wheel through the center of it. Join it using a toothpick. Using another straw, make the rest of the bicycle and then using some cardboard paper, make the top or rather the seat portion of it and it can move now. Now we'll be learning how to make a watering jug using a bottle. For this, start off by cutting a bottle into half. Cut out the center portion of it, add the top on top of the bottom. Now add the side pouring portion as well as the handle. In order to do this, start off by taking a cup and then cut out the sides. Make two slits and then join them together in the center. At the base of the cup, add a little hole, add a bottle cap to the other side and then add a rubber band. Now it'll be stretchy, twist it around and watch it turn. In order to make this bed frame or rather table, start off by arranging multiple sticks together as such. Then add the legs. In order to make it more stable, add some supporting frames as well. Add chairs to it. For this, start off by cutting up a bottle. Take the top part of it and then make a hole in the bottle cap, pull a straw through. Take some paper, roll it into a ball and then blow into the straw every time you want it to move. Next, take multiple sticks, cut it up into even parts of smaller pieces. Take a longer stick and then add 3 of them at the top and the bottom edge. Make this particular frame out of it. Join multiple of these together and then make a sort of cage-like structure out of it. Use it as a pen case. In order to make this instrument to pick up trash, start off by taking a cup. Make multiple lines on it as such and then make them into slits as such. Leave only 4 of them and then cut off the rest. Bend the 4. Add a straw through the center after making a hole. Insert it into another cup. Now, start off by taking 2 cups. Make a hole in one of them and then draw on the shape of Superman or Spider-Man. Use another cup for the face. Thank you for watching.